Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you all are fine and shine. So today you have to see in thumbnail if you want to become a YouTuber. So I will guide you and I will share my 2 year experience how to become a YouTuber. And you have seen my thumbnail how many subscriber I got. In last year I have got 1 lakh plus subscriber, and you can also get that kind of subscriber. So please watch this video until end. Don't skip, and full of video you have to watch, and you will be guided inshallah, and I will share my experience, 2 year experience. Inshallah you will guide and you will become a YouTuber. So before start the video, please I request you again and again that subscribe my channel and like this video and watch until end and share with your friends. It will be helpful for all of them. So let's go to video side. So before start my video, I request you to watch my video until end, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe my channel. You have to subscribe and like my channel. Okay, and let's go to the video side, and I will show you that how much viewers and how much subscriber I have got, and my second YouTube channel. And let me show you second YouTube channel, and that is all of about Islamic content. And before start my video, I am telling you that if anybody wants to start any kind of channel, like Islamic or vlogger or other kind of channel, so I'm your brother, and I will teach you all of things which is really needed for starting YouTube channel. And I will share my experience, and 3 year experience which I have got from YouTube channel, that how to make a video from where we can get our content and picture and ideas. All this thing is are really needed and for starting YouTube channel. Most of the people, they can edit, they can internet source and all of facility they have. But the main thing which is really needed for YouTube channels to start by that, so we have to have, and then to start a video by that idea, that we consistently stay with our content. So we have to find out firstly idea before start YouTube channel. So first you have to think about idea, that which kind of content I should start on YouTube channel. When you get idea, so then to making of channel and making of videos, it's really easy. It's not too difficult and too complicated. So the main thing which is complicated, and to get idea, from where we can get idea. So let me show you that from where I can get my own content idea. So I will also share with you that you can get idea from there, and how to edit videos, and how to upload videos, and how to upload short video and long video. All these things I will teach you in a week, and you must have to subscribe my channel, this channel, and which I am showing you the second channel. You also have to subscribe my that one channel which I am showing you right now. So let's go to the YouTube channel, my second YouTube channel. Let me show you how many subscriber I got in last 1 year, and how much viewers I got, and how many watch timing. So all these things, so let me show you. So this is my YouTube channel. Let me show you. This is Y2 Studio, and you can watch Fedahon channel. This is my Islamic content channel. It's all about Islamic content, and you can get only and only Islamic content like ahadith, waqi'at. It's all about Islamic content and Quranic ayat and ahadith. You can get here, and you can also subscribe my channel. This channel, and this channel which I have made, I have been made this channel since 2023. I think I have made this channel, and until now how many subscribe I have got. I have got this subscriber in the last 1 year. So you can see how much subscribe I have got. It's upper than 1 lakh subscriber before 13 hours and 24 minutes. And the second video you can also watch for 16 hours and 39 minutes before I upload this video. And let me show you that all of content. So you can see this my long videos, long shape videos. You can see 5 days before 5 days I have uploaded this video. I have got 1000 viewers, and the second one 2 weeks ago 1400 views, and the third one Hazrat Aisha Sadiqa ki Hazur se narazgi. Before 2 weeks ago I have uploaded, and I have got 60,000 viewers. So you can watch, and I will also tell you from where you can get this kind of idea. So this you can see this my channel, and let's go to the short videos. Let me show you all of these contents. So 1500, 15,000, 6,000, 17,000, 14,000, and 9,000, 7,000, 11,000, and 42,000. There is most incredible views which I have got on some videos. So I'm showing you. Wait for a while and watch a video with and I'm also telling you again and again that you must have to subscribe my channel, and both of channel you can also subscribe my that one channel and also Islamic content channel. And you have to like my videos. It does not take your time, but it is really helpful for our videos. It bring our video forwards. Okay, so please please I request you again and again that don't forget to like my video. And you can see 34,000 viewers and 3 weeks ago which I have uploaded. So you can guess. So let me show you this one idea. Sharm or haya ki fazilat. 3 weeks ago I have got how much viewers? 1.3 million views I have got, and all this content I have made by my own self. And the second video which I've got most of the incredible views, 1 month ago I have uploaded this video, and I have got and this video achieves 1.4 million views 1 month ago. You can also make a channel same like me, and I will show and I will teach you all these things by free. And you have to comment it in my videos to if someone interested to make a YouTube channel and to get this kind of subscriber. Those people who really want to make a YouTube channel, that they want to make their own YouTube channel, so they must have contact with me. And before contact, in this video, tell me in comment section and like my videos, and tell me in comment section that I have that I need a YouTube channel and I am becoming a YouTuber. So he or she have to contact me, and firstly give me in comment section your ideas if you really interested to come to start the YouTube channel. So please tell me and aware me by through comment section, and then after that the second video I will make a second video and upload, and I will suggest that how many people are interested to start the YouTube channel. So then I will show you and I will give you my WhatsApp number and all these things I will teach you by free. There will no payment, there will no payment. I will teach you all these things by free, and I will not be hide. I swear to all of you, I am promised to all of you that I will never hide a secret point. So I will teach you that how to make a YouTube channel, how to make a YouTube logo, how to make a banner, and how to do all of this, all of important setting which is really needed for YouTube. All these things I will teach you by free. Firstly, you should give me your suggestion in comment section if anyone wants, so they should contact me, and that is not taking a long time. If you make a video, you can make a short video by 5 minutes. In 5 minutes you can make a like a very nice video you can make, and where you can make a post, where you can edit, and all these things I will teach you by free, and you must have stay with me, and inshallah you will become a YouTuber. You can also get more subscriber than me. So let me show you how I make a video. So you can see this videos. You can say this video, it's about father and mother respect, that we have to respect our father and mother, so we don't have to underestimate our father and mother. So that's firstly I have made this picture, and after that I edit and make and convert to this picture into video side. So then I make this videos. So firstly you have to make a video, you have to make a picture, and then come to the editing side, and first the second thing, you have to convert this picture into video. So this is video, and there just I apply 3 or 4 effect, and that's enough for that video. Okay, I will never hide any secret points. That's all of YouTubers that can hide the channels, and that can hide the secret point which where our video does not go to for you side. So all these things I will teach you by free, and I request you to all of you, and again and again I request you that like my video and subscribe my this channel. Let's practice this channel, and as well subscribe my that one channel which I show you now in video, which is involved in Islamic content, which is the name of Fedahon. So both of channels, subscribe, like to my videos, so like and subscribe my channel, and we will meet you in next video inshallah. Allah Hafiz.